My name is Ishan Shafkar. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we learn how to fix this type of error from Eclipse when you are installing ABAP tools in your environment. Okay, first we read this error that ABAP communication layer is not configured properly. This might be caused by missing Microsoft Visual C++ 2013 x64-bit runtime DLLs. Okay, open your browser and search Microsoft Visual C++ 2013. Okay, open the first website which is from Microsoft Visual C++. Okay, now select your language. I select English for language and download. Okay, here is the download download options that which bit you want to download. In the error they show us x64 bit. Okay, click on x64 and start download. Okay, I already downloaded. Okay, I will re-download it. Open. Now install this. Okay, the software is successfully installed in your PC. Then close your browser, close your Eclipse, then reopen your Eclipse. Then please go check your error is removed. Thank you for watching my channel. If you have any issue, then please comment below, or if you like my channel, then please subscribe it.